Okay, good morning. First of all, tell me, can you hear me?
Yes, madam, we can hear you.
Okay. Can you see my screen? Share
Yes, ma'am.
screen? Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's start. Today we are going to start a new section on this course regarding presentations. So actually presentation is same like as we talk. We are giving some information in clearly in structured way to the others using presentations. There are a lot of softwares developed for this purpose. Here we are practice Microsoft PowerPoint as a presentation software. There are we are developing some presentations for different purposes. According to the purposes, we can clarify as informative presentation. That means we are giving some information to others, some kind of details, facts. According to some topic, we are giving some information to the others. And there is another type called perspective presentations. That means we are giving some viewpoints or some kind of behavior, action, how it acts. And also there is another type called education. That means as here we are teaching according to some topic, we are giving some details of a subject to the others. And sales presentations mean we are promote about a product or a service to the customers or a client by providing the details of the product or the service. And demonstration presentation means we are giving some demonstration or simulation, how if it is a machine, how it's going, what is needed for that. Likewise, we can simulate some actions on the items or a machine. Or you can do report presentations. That means you can collect some data from the outside and you can find something from there, and you can analyze and give some details to the audience. So these are the purpose. According to the purposes, we can clarify the presentation types. Then we can see how to create a presentations. First of all, before you are creating the presentation, you have to think what is the audience, who is there. If it is the student, if can be some, according to your topics, there that person, the audience can be knowledgeable about your presentation, or there are lack of knowledge with the presentation topic. You have to think what is the level of the audience, who is there. Then you have to create your presentation. Otherwise, if the audience has the lack of knowledge about your topics, they might know, they might understand or not about your presentation. So you have to think first, who is there? Then you have to think what is the objective, what is the topic, or clear topic about your presentation. And in there also you have to think what is the main points that you have to give to the audience. Then you have to think how it present. You can add some text, and also you can represent your idea using images or using charts, using some kind of process. Likewise, you can have to think how your, according to your topic, how it should be give to the audience. Then you have to structure your presentation. It should be a flow. First, you have to give the introduction, then how the body going on, then what are the headings, what are the sub headings, how it, if it is, if you can list it, you can add those as a list. Likewise, you have to think your presentation and you have to structure your presentation before it create. Then you have to start your design. Then you have to think some kind of color themes. You have to think what font that you have to going to use. Then you have to start to create your presentation. Then when you are creating it, you have to definitely you have to add some text, but you have to use main keywords from there, not more lot of paragraph there. You have to give the some phrases or keywords as your main points, and you can at the presentation time you can describe those things to the audience. Then when you are doing the presentation, actually the first slide, the opening slide, you have to give some kind of attractive way to catch the audience. You can start by giving some quotes of some famous person, or you can ask some questions from your audience. Then they are watching your face, so you can attract audience to your topic. And also you can tell some story about your topic. Like, and you have to start some kind of attractive way and when you are doing a presentation. Then and also you have to provide effective delivery. That means you have to provide your idea clearly in confidence, and you have maintain your eye contact with your audience. Otherwise, when you are doing the presentation, they might not focus your presentation as well as they might not understand your presentation. So, and also when you are doing the presentation, you have to better if you can do it as an interactive way. That means you can ask some questions and you can discuss something about some topics and get their idea about your topic. Likewise, better if you can do the presentation with the interactively, and also you have to think. You have to do your presentation in and the relevance and the timeless. Relevance means you have to you have with your topic. Otherwise, you might do the presentation, but it is not relevant to your topic. The audience might not happy about that. So keep in mind, you have to talk about your presentation in relevance and also in the timeless. There is a time to do that presentation. Organize your presentation in that time. Even it is you are doing a discussion, you have to think what the time that you need for that, and you have to continue with after that. Otherwise, you might not complete your presentation in the time. And here is the key points. That means first you have to choose a topic, then you have to think your purpose, then you have to think your audience, and according to all those things, you have to collect information. Then you have to outline your presentation, and you have to think how it present. You can add some images, you can add some processes to deliver your presentation. Then when you are doing the presentation, first you have to plan and prepare, then you have to design, then practice, and you can do the main audience that you have to do. Then if you are using visual aids, that means if you are using images or charts or process type things in your presentation, they can improve their understandability on your presentation, and also they can memorize those things than your voice. And also they can you can maintain your attraction with the audience by using those images or videos or audios in your presentation. And also if you are using those things, they can provide some persuasive means or clear idea about their topic. Then when you are doing planning and prepare, same as you have to analyze your audience, then define the objectives, then outline, then you have to collect information according to that. When you are doing the plan and prepare, when you are planning, then when you are doing this designing the slide, you have to use some kind of a template. When you are designing it, you have to use some kind of a structured way. It should be unique within your presentation, and then the audience can understand this is a subtopic, this is a topic, this is an image, this is the subtopic. Likewise, they might understand if you are using some kind of a template when you are designing the slide. And also when you are creating the slide, you have to provide the clear headings and relevant informations according to the headings or subheadings. And also when you design it, you have to use same fonts, font theme, you can use 1, 2, or 3 some kind of fonts. You can use same kind of colors. You can provide one color to main topic, then sub colors for subtopics. Likewise, you have to design your presentation in attractive way to the audience using those things. Then before going to the delivery of the presentation, you have to practice your presentation. Yeah, first you have to practice with your own by going through the presentation, and you can check the time that you want to deliver this presentation, and you can adjust your slides according to that. You can expand or shrink according to that, and also you can uh, think the time yourself. You can do in the presentation in the allocated time, and also you have to first deliver this presentation to your colleagues or to your friends, and check they can understand, or is there any ideas about the presentation, and you can improve using their feedbacks. Then engage your audience. That means when you deliver the presentation to the correct audience, you have to start in strong. That means in a question or some kind of quotes, you have to start in strong. Then you have to maintain the eye contact with the audience by asking questions or providing discussions, and also you can you should be enthusiastic when you are doing the presentation. Right, those are the things that you can insert. You can add images, pictures and graphs, charts, tables, and you can add short text. Then you can add audios, videos to your presentations. These are the things that you have to focus when you're creating and doing a presentation. So we can move on to the application. We are using Microsoft PowerPoint here. There are a lot of versions available. So can you see my screen still?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. You can start the application by going, I will share my desktop for the presentation. Okay, so you can start by going to start and you can find the application on there. You can start. Then the first screen, you can see under the recent, you can see the recent files that you are opening using the Microsoft PowerPoint. And in there, you can see blank presentation. So you can start without anything by going to blank presentation. Or you can start, there are a lot of themes and some kind of templates that are built under the Microsoft Teams. So you can use anything in here, and also you can download any themes from the internet and you can use it. So I'm going to blank presentation without anything when you're starting. So as the other applications, you can see the file name. At the first, it say the presentation one, and you can see the close bar, minimize bar, maximize buttons in there. And at the bottom, you can see the ribbon. In there, you can see file you can use to save and those things, file, save, open files, you can use there. Then home inside, likewise, you can use the ribbon at the top. Those are the options under the ribbon. So when you start the presentation, the window is divided into two. In left side, you can see some kind of box equal to the large area. You can see all the slides in here in the left side bar, and the design area is the right side. Under that, you can click and you can type anything. You can add elements in here in the right side box. So in the first box, I can type say University of Peradeniya. And you can add or you can put same without typing anything if you haven't any subtopic. Or we have here. And same as the other package, Word and Excel, you have to select if you are going to format this text, you have to select the text or object before formatting. Then you can, at the top, you can see the font option as the other packages. So you can select any font that you want. Then you can adjust the font size. You want to bold, you can bold it. You can change the font color here. And these buttons you can increase or decrease in stepwise. You can change the font colors and fonts using the font options. Like here. Then if you want to add a new slide to your presentation, there are a lot of ways. One is under the home. You can see there is a button called new slide. You can click there. Then you can add a new slide. And also under the insert, you can see a button. The first button is for the new slide. You can click it and you can insert a new slide. Then And also, if you want to add a new slide using this the viewing area of the slide, you can click the slide that you want to add. If you want to add a new slide after the second slide, you can click. You should click on the second slide, and you can right click, and you can go to new slide. Then you can see a new slide will be added after the second slide. Likewise, you can add new slides to your presentation. And when you see on the first slide and the second slide, in here, you can see there is a big box to add the topic, and there is a small box to add the subtopic. But when you are going to the second slide, you can see the arrangement of the adding text. The area will be changed. This two box is centered into a slide, but this two is in left align. You can add some text, more text in here than the first slide, because actually most of the time the first slide is the title slide, and that is because it's layout like this. And the second slide, most of the times you have to add some description. So the second slide is layout according to that purpose. But in PowerPoint, you can change this arrangement of the box. That is called actually layout of the slide. You can change it by going to Home, and near to the new slide, you can see there is a small icon with the layouts. You can click there, then you can see what are the options that you in there. What are the options? It's layouted. Let's see to content. Then the arrangement of the boxes will be changed according to that. That means it has the title, and the slide will be divided into two areas, and you can add some text as left and right. And also you can add title only. Then you can freely design the slide at the bottom by after adding the title here. Then you can start a blank page. That means you can arrange the slide without any topic. You can freely insert full image here. Likewise, you can design your presentation. You can use the layout to design the arrangement of the text or elements on your slides. You can change it using this. Then I will change this into title and the content. As previously as the first way that you can see. Then I will add the introduction as the topic. Then I am here using the Adobe Keyboard. We'll use the same font theme here. Then I'm using the color theme to present to this presentation. Then I would add University of Kerala is the first university of Sri Lanka. Guys, as the text there. Then you can freely rearrange. That means you can move these boxes in here and there as you want. You can, even it's layouted, you can change the arrangement of this layout also. But if you want to undo or if you want to reset the arrangement of the layout, you can use this reset button under the home. You can click reset, then all the elements are reset according to that. The font and everything will be set to default. So I will again change it. You can use this reset button to that purpose. If you want to, if you change it, you can again reset it. Then in here under the slides, there is another button called section. That means you can divide your slides according to some sections. You can, according to your presentation, first you can, if it is some kind of a report, first you have to give the idea of your objective. Then you can show your result. Then you can, after that, you can provide your conclusion. That means the findings of your analysis or something, the output of your report. So likewise, you can divide your slide according to the topic that you are selected. So you can click there under the section, then you can add section. Before, even when you are doing anything to a slide, you have to select the required slide first. At the left side, you can click the slides. When you click it, the designing area will be changed according to that, as well as all the editings will be applied to that slide. So you have to select the slide first. Then if you click the first slide and going to add a new section, go to the section and add section. Then you can see it will untitled. First default give the name as untitled section. So I can add the introduction part. Introduction side. Then I can add the section. Then you can shrink and expand your section. And if you want to add a new section after the fourth slides, you can actually, with the fourth slide, you can add a new section for findings. And rename it. Then the first part is introduction slides. Then the second slides are going to findings. Likewise, you can divide your slides into some section. So if you're not required those section, you can remove section, or if you want to remove all the sections, you can remove all sections. Then the all will be view like as one section without any subsections. So if you want to add a list, yes, say I'm going to list down our faculties. In here, you can see as the other packages, you can see the bullets, bullet format and number formats. You can add some list. Say, I will add short names, faculty of arts, faculty of ages, faculty of agriculture, and you can add medicine, management, and science, and wait, I missed the engineering. There should be one more. Anyway, you can add like list, or you can add list the numbers. And also, you can add some kind of elements. That means you can add some shapes to your presentation. First, I'm going to the fourth slide, and under that you can see shapes. You can add boxes. Then after you are drawing the box, it will enable the shape formatting box. So using that, you can change the colors. You can change the filling color in here also. Then you can fill with the gradients. You can fill the textures. Likewise, you can format the object that you are inside. And also, you can insert a table. So I'm going to table. Then you can provide the how many rows and columns are there. So Save. And animal science. Then using these lines, you can adjust your table. Then you can say student. Enroll. Say I will add some dummy figures. Like price. You can add some kind of tables to your presentation. And also, once you click on the table, it will enable the table design tab. So using that, you can format your tables as well. Actually, when you are designing the presentation, better if you are using some kind of dark colors than the illumination colors like yellow and like some kind of light green, because if you are using this when you are looking this presentation in a projector or a large screen, it might not clear, and it might hard to see on a screen. So better if you can provide some kind of dark uh, colors when you are going. It is not a matter for the backgrounds, but if you are giving the font color, better if you are using a dark color font, the highlighted fonts. Likewise. So, if I need a slide after the introduction, I will right click and go to the new slide, or you can duplicate the same slide again, or you can delete your slide. If you want to duplicate, you can duplicate it. If you want to remove, you can remove it. I am going to add a new slide after the introduction. Then if you want to add an image to your presentation, you can go to insert. All the elements that you are going to insert, you can insert in into here is under the insert option. So you can go to select the slide and you can go to picture. You can go to this device option, then you can insert the image in here. not have any faculty of art picture, a faculty of veterinary picture. I will like this. Then again, once you click it, you can see the picture formatting options. So you can correct the colors, you can add the borders, you can change the appearance of the images, you can add borders, you can change the border colors. You can click and see what is there. Then you can edit your picture and insert your picture. And also if you want to resize, once you click it, you can see the corners. There are some dots. Using those dots, you can adjust the pictures. If you use corners, you can adjust the picture by according to the ratio there. Otherwise, if you are using the middle points, the images will be compressed like this. Actually, that is not good when you are adding the pictures. You have to maintain your ratio of the width and height. And also when you are adjusting the picture by click on the shift button, the ratio will be again maintained, even it's in here. And also you can insert a picture by going to the online pictures. I will let's see. You can search from the internet. Then you can select a picture that you want to add and click insert. Again, you can resize it. If you not need these captions, that means where's the photo taken, you can remove it by click it. You can adjust the size as other image after inserting. Again, the picture formatting bar will be enabled. So you can adjust the appearance. And also, you can go to browse and you can start a new tab and you can search under the Google or any other searching like Google. Then in there you can search the images. Then you can pick the image that you want to insert. Then you can right click and copy image. Then you can paste by right click and paste, or you can use the home paste, or you can use shortcut Control V. So you can add images using those options. You can use your computer images, you can use online images, or you can search in search engine, and you can include an image. Even when you are insert an image, you have to arrange the images in your slide. Now you can see this my machine image is as the bottom layer, is the first layer of this slide. Then the second layer is the this image, and search engine images as the third layer. So you can rearrange your images or even boxes, text boxes or shapes. You can rearrange. How you can do is you can use picture format. Under the picture format, you can see there is option called bring forward, send to backward. There are two options here. You can use those two to rearrange. So if you click bring forward, say and click on the the first layer. Then once you click it, it will jump from one level to the top. Now you can see the second this university image will be come as the second layer, but the third layer is still at the top. Then if you want to add this image as the first layer, as the top layer, you can use this bring to front option, then it will come into a top. Even see it is at the bottom. See, I will be undo and move it as the layer like this. Then if I am click as the bring to front, then it will be the top layer on the slide. Same as the backward button, you can use the send backward, means you can shift from one level to back using that option. And also you can click on the send to back, means it will be the back layer. That means the bottom level, the first level of the slide. If you want to set this top image as the last layer, you can click on the send to back. Even if you insert a shape, So I'm going to add a star here. So you can use bring to front, center back. Once you click on center back, this will be not visible. So you have to move this and find the object. Then you can go to shape format and bring to front. Then you can be the front plane. Likewise, you can arrange your objects by maintaining the levels by using bring to front and center backward options. Okay, I will be add a new slide. Okay. And maybe I'm going to list down list the departments here. Then you can add a list, or you can add a numbered list or a bulleted list, or you can add some kind of a smart art. You can go to insert and go to smart art. Then in here you can see the some kind of a graphical represented some kind of processes, list, some kind of circles, hierarchy. You can show your structure of your faculty. Likewise, there are a lot of graphically represented list there. So you can insert one of them. Let's see, like this. Like this. Here, estimate, faculty, I will be music. Fitness science and animal science. Near the department. So if you want to remove the last box, you can click the box and right click, or you can press delete button. Then it will be remove other not required list. Or if you want to add a new one, you can add shape and shape part. Then again, a new option will be added. Also, you can change the smart art, the design like this. You can add the image here. You can add some kind of graphically represented object here, and you can change the other options here, likewise. Like this. So you can insert tables and pictures, and screenshots means you can capture some part of a screen. You can click there and screen clipping. This option is included with the latest versions. So you can capture your screen like this, and you can insert as an image. This is an image. All the other options regarding to image are there. Let's say I will be added. Website. Caption. Thing. And we put there. And also you can insert some text boxes. Let's say if you know to insert captions to this image, so you can go to insert and text box, and you can draw any size box in there, and you can add the caption. Likewise, you can edit the text. Change the sizes. You can change the yeah. Likewise, you can edit it. That means not like the layouted text box. You can insert extra text boxes into your slides using this insert text box. And also you can include some charts. Let's say I have these numbers here. I will delete this box. Then if you want to add a chart here, according to these figures, you can go to insert chart. Then in there, you can see there are a lot of options, different types of charts. So I will add a column chart, simple cluster chart, then press OK. Then you can see there is a chart on your slides, but it contains a different data. You can see there is some kind of a Excel sheets open when you are after adding a data chart. So you have to edit this data according to your requirements. Say our data has different years. So under category 1, you can edit it. 2023, 2024, and 2025. And according to the series, has 45 and 60 and 75. And there is no category 4. You have to remove it by deleting the total row, not the data. If you are deleting the row, the space for the for that column is there. So you have to remove the row by right click and delete. Then that row will be deleted. Then the years are there. Then enrolled students. There will be change in the enrollment. Then there are some tools, extra series. So you can remove those also by removing those columns. Select those columns and right click and delete. Then our only has the years and enrollments and the data. This is our chart. If you are finished by editing the data on the chart, you can just close it. No need to save those data. You can just close. Even when you click on the chart, here also again activated the chart design ribbon. So you can change the appearance of the chart. this. These are the way how to include the chart. I will be include a new slide. Then if you want to add a video, same as you can browse from your computer, or you can search and video from the internet. So actually here comes to enter the address of the online video. So you have to search and video. Internet. I will be open this video. Then you have to find the URL of this video. So this is a YouTube video, so you can go to YouTube and open it. And under the top, you can see the URL. So you can copy it and you can paste it. And copy it. And paste it. You find the video. Then you can insert. Video is here. Likewise, you can insert audio and video. You can use same kind of things as the audio also. Audio from PC, you can browse any audio, or you can record an audio by going to record, and you can start hello, like that. You can stop and you can include that audio to here. Hello, like press. You can record it or you can browse it. We delete both things because Right. And also you can add some kind of a screen recording video. That option also there under the presentation. You can do something in your machine. Say you are going to present some kind of created software or something. So you can provide the how to use it. So you can record your screen and include a video. You have to show which area you are going to capture. So I use this area, say, then I'm going to record it. It's going to record. Now it's recording. Stop it. Here. Maybe. Right. Those are the things that you can include to your presentation. So then again, you can you have to change the designs and transitions and things. Let's have a 5 or 10-minute breaks and you can come back. Shall we start now? Okay, now you are adding elements to your presentation as is required. Now you can design your presentation in attractive. You can add some kind of attractivity to your presentation. One method is by going to design and adding a theme. So there are a lot of themes here. You can select the matching theme to your presentation. This, like this. According to the elements that you have, you can select your theme. And also once you have selected it, there are some variations. That means under that theme, there are some variations under the design. The first part is the themes. According to the themes, there are a lot of color themes, background themes. They are different. variations are there. You can pick it and check, and you can select one of them. Then under the design, you can see there are format backgrounds. So you can change the background colors. Under that theme. And also you can add a gradient or texture pattern. You can select that you want. And also in the slide size, actually when you are before adding the elements at the first, after the starting the blank presentation, actually you have to set up your size on that time. You have to go to size. There are two options. One is the widescreen. Nowadays you have to better you have select the widescreen. If you are using the standard size, that means the slide size will be reduced. And when you are presenting in a projector, there are some blank space are dedicated with black color because the size is not matching to the projector. So better if you are using the widescreen, because computer screen, TV screen, projectors also are support this matching to this widescreen. So better if you can design using the widescreen than the standard size. So after adding a theme to a presentation, you can add transitions. That means this transition is adding to the presentation time. How the way of view the presentation is, when you are doing the presentation, you have to move into the full screen mode. This is in the design mode. The way of moving is in the bottom. You can see there are few icons and there is a line. This is changing the zoom of the designing area. And before that, you can see there is a small icon with a slideshow. You can click it, then it will move on to full screen mode. And also there is another method by using the ribbon. There is an option called slideshow. In there, you can see from beginning. The beginning means the presentation is starting from the beginning. And also, if you want to check a middle slide, you can start the presentation from that place. So you can select a middle slide in here. Then from the current slide, this presentation will be started from that position. That buttons also you can use to move on to the presentation slide. So I'm going to start from the beginning. So if you want to move at the presentation mode, this full screen mode, if you want to move into the next slide, you can use the arrows of the keyboard. There are 4 arrows, left and right and top and bottom. So you can use right arrow key or down arrow key to move on to the next slide. You can back you can see the previous slide by using top or left side buttons. And also you can move to the next slide by pressing the enter key on the keyboard. That also move on to the next slide. And also you can use space bar to move on to the next slide. On the keyboard, space, enter, top and right keys are used to move on to the next slide. And also you can right click on the you can right click and click on the next to move on to the next slide. You can right click and click on the previous, then you can move on to the previous. And also right click and last view. If you are jumping some places, you can move on to the last view slide. If you want to escape, that means if you want to again move on to the design mode, or you want to escape from the screen, full screen mode, you can press escape button. And there is a key on the top left side, the topmost button. ESC, there is a button. Then once you click it, it will escape the presentation mode. Then when you see going through the presentation, you can see from the one side from to the next slide, all the things appear in at once. It's jump into the second slide. Then I'm press the key right button. Then it will show all the object on the presentation, and it will quickly appear all the objects in the slides. You can use transitions to move to the next slide in slowly or some kind of attractive way. So you can use these transitions. If you want to apply a transition into a slide, you have to select the slide that you want to apply the transition. So you have to, if you want to add a transition to the second slide, you have to click on the second slide and go to transition, and you can select the transition that you want. Once you click it, and if you show this slideshow, you will see I'm in the first slide, and if you're on the second slide, it will slowly, with an transition, will be move on to the second slide. But all the objects appear, but it slowly appear with some kind of attractive transition. I'll add the push up. This is the push option. Then there is a small icon after all the transition. There are effects option. That means they can customize that option also. The first option is from bottom. You can push from right. And you can see the slide will appear from right to left. And also random bars, that means will appear like this. Flash. It will appear like a flash. Like a curtain. It will show like a open, like a curtain. That is called transition. So, once you add in the transition time, you can change the duration by there is an option called duration. When you are selecting a transition, this duration, the normal time is view here. It will be vary one transition to another. The default duration is appear here. If you want to quit it, you have to reduce this time. I'm on the curtains, it is little slow. I want to quickly open it. Currently it has 6 seconds, so I will change it to 2. Then I will leave it. The curtain will be open quickly than previous. The duration is the time allocated for running this transition. And also, when you move one side to another slide, this transition will be applied with the mouse click. If you want to apply a time, it will automatically appear. If you want to appear automatically, so you can give some time by click on the after, and there are 3 double zeros here. The last 2 double zeros is represented in the milliseconds. So if you want to give the seconds, you have to edit the middle 2 zeros. If I'm adding 3 after 3 seconds, it will appear. It will be 3 seconds here and move on to the next slide. That is denoted here. The on mouse click is when you are click it, or when you are using the arrows, you have to move into the next slide. After means you have to wait 3 seconds here as denoted here. You have to wait few times and you have to move on to automatically into next slide once you are giving this after option. Then the sound is when you are apply a transition, that it will appear with some kind of a sound. It's a bomb. When I leave it, there is a bomb sound. Can apply the sound also. If you not required, you can add no sound. And all the things that you apply here will be applied into selected slide. If you want to copy all these settings to all the other slides, you have to click apply to all. Then you can see from the beginning, the current slide is there, 3 seconds, it will move on to the next slide. Then again, it will be move on to the next slide with the same transition. Likewise, it will be automatically move to the other slides. there will be escape from the middle. Now, in the transition, it will be editing the how to appear the full slide to your view. And also you can add some kind of animation. That means you can apply same like transitions to objects on the slide. The transition is applied for the full slide. Animations are same like this. The difference is this is you can apply into the objects on that slide. So say I want to apply transition to the introduction. Before that, I will be change this after option and apply to all, because I need the control in my mouse or arrows. Now it will not move into the next slide within some seconds. I click the arrow, it will be going to the next. So I want to apply a transition, some kind of an animation to this introduction and the text in here. So I will be select the title, then go to animation and select an animation. Default it's selected as none. I will be select the flying. Then you will see there is a number, it will become here. That means as the first, once the appear of the slide, the first object is the first animation run is this animation for this object. That is why it will be denote a number here. Then same as the transition, there are a lot of effects options are there. Fly, currently flying means from bottom to top. You can change from left to right. Likewise, first I will be play and see before change it. I'm not adding any animation here for the body as the University of Kerala in the first University of Sri Lanka. Because of that, it will be, the slide is there. Then you have to click on the mouse as same as the previous to run the animation also. That means the title will be appear after that. Once it click or once it use the arrow keys, the transition will be coming. I will be change the effects option and see. Now the slide is appear. Then I click an arrow. Then you can see that will appear from right to left. The effects option will be vary according to the animation that you are selected. Here, shape in or out or circle or box, so likewise diamond will be like this here. Animation is here. So same as the transition, the duration is the speed of the animation, the time getting to run this animation. You can reduce the times if you want quickly do it. If you can increase the time if you want to delay. That means if you want to slow it. I will be at the floor. Then see. You can see it slowly coming. This introduction part. And same as the transition, this can be done automatically. There is option called start. It is on click option currently. That is why I have to click or I have to press a key. If you want to automatic it, there is two options with previous and the after previous. With previous means there is animation in previously. It will appear with the same level. That means with the same time, with the same animation, with the previous animation, this animation will also start. After previous means the first animation after finish, this will be start automatically. Likewise, you can check edit. If I'm set with previous means it will get in 0, not the number 1, because once the transition happen, that one also start automatically. And not click any or not press any buttons in the keyboard. It will automatically start the transition as well as animation together, because I am changed, that is with the previous transition. So animation. I will be at the after previous, then that will be happen, transition happen, then again start. Once it finish, this one will be start. I will be added another, there is another object here, the body. It will be also, I will be at the head animation. It is not automatic, no duration, I am not change anything. Then let's play and see. Transition, their titles is coming automatically after that. Then the body not appear in automatically, because I am not give any automatic option. And I am click a button, then it will be faded like this. Then there is 3 options here, all at once, by paragraph, as object. Likewise, there are some few effects option for the fade. And if I change this into with previous, again you can see this number will be set to 0. Now you can see the curtains under coming, the other two also play together. If I am changing to the after previous, the curtains is open, the title is appear automatically, then after finished it, this is appear. These are the options you can have on the animation. And also there is a button called animation pane. Once you click it, you can see all the animation on the slide as a slide, as a pane panel on the right side. So the introduction has the duration is 4 seconds. It will show the timeline also. That is why it's show long bar here. Then this is the body. In that animation need a duration 50 milliseconds. That is why this box is small. The current options is after previous. You can see in this box, the animation will be played. Then after that, this will be start. If I change it to with previous, you can see these together start. The box coming to the starting of the previous animation. This is the way of happen in here. And also, this change into after previous. You can move this animation order. You can customize it. You can change it. The time in here, the title animation running first. After that, body. If you want to see the body first, you can move this animation into top using this arrow. Or at the ribbon, you can see move earlier. You can click it, then you can see if I am play it, the body will display. Then after that, this title will be displayed. The order of the animation can be changed here using this animation pen and also ribbon. You can use for the change of the order. And if you want to remove some animation here, you can click it and you can press the delete button on the keyboard. It will be delete. I will be undo. Or you can, there is a small arrow related to that animation, not that ordering arrows. There is small block arrow here. In that also you can change the start with the previous and effects options, and there are a lot of options here. And you can click on the effects option. You can see all the options in a dialog box. There are more options than here. You can add a sound to the animation, same as the transition. When the animation happens, the sound will become. And also, this text will be, this is, I'm selecting the paragraph. The paragraph, this animation will be happen to all the object together. So you can change it to word by word or letter by letter. I will be changing to word by word. Then press OK and see. The time is getting little big. You see. Then you can see this animation will be happen word by word separately, not for the all the object together. I will be fly in change and change the animation into fly in and go to effect option. Again, I will be changed to word by word. Okay. Word by word, it will be displayed. Under the effects option, under that animation, there is a drop arrow. In that, we have to go to the effects option. You can change the animated text all at once, or word by word, or letter by letter. And the moving direction, the more effects you can change into from bottom. Currently it has from bottom, from right, nice, you can change it. And also you can, under the timing, this is under the effect tab. Under the timing tab, it can change the on click with previous and after previous, and the delays. Delays means actually you can, in here at the ribbon also has that option. Delay means you can provide a small gap between two animations. So I'm going to move on to the second animation and provide some delay with the 2 seconds. So you can see there is a gap here. That means the first animation happened, then there is 2 second delay and second will be played. Let's say this will be played. The body is coming, there is 2 second delay and this second will be played. The delay is, there is a small gap between two animation. You have to select the animation that animation is delay, play. Delay means that. Now, right. Then under the effects option, this is the title. This is the body. Under the effects option, delay, now you know under the timing, delay is the gap. And you can add the duration as very slow, medium, fast. Likewise, you can add some kind of a level of the duration. You can provide this, customize the second here. And also there is option called repeat. That means you can repeat an animation in 2 times or 3 times or 4 times or until end of the slide. Now you can see once you play it, you can see the first animation is running, again running, again running, until I move on to the next slide. If this animation happens, because I am setting this animation to run until the end of the slide. Now you can see when I'm pressing the third slide, the animation will be empty because I added an animation only for the second slide. So now you can change the durations, delays, starting with previous and after previous. And you can change the effects option and timing options. Right. Now we are now slideshow. Recording everything. Again, I want to show you in sometimes when you are doing the presentation, I will be change this one into not until end of the slide. I will be change it to 2 times. Then I want to say at the presentation time, sometimes you have to open a web URL or some into different document you want to open and show. You have to do like that. That means you have to link some text or object. When you click it, you have to open that. It may be a Word document, it may be an Excel document, it may be a PDF, may be a web URL. So how you can do is, if I want to link this University of Peradeniya to University of Peradeniya website, how you can do is, first you have to go to the University of Peradeniya website. Get the URL here. You have to copy. You can right click and copy, or you can use Ctrl+C to copy that URL. Then you have to select the object or select the text that you want to link and go to insert and go to link. Then in there is a place to add the address. Under that address, you can paste your web address. Then press OK. Then once you have played, this has the hyperlink. You can see the mouse cursor will be changed when you move up. It will be changed into hand. You can see the small address is displayed at the down when you move on to the cursor to the top of the University of Peradeniya. You can click there, then it will open this URL in separate web browser. This is disabled, that is because of this. Anyway, the URL is open here. That means this text is linked to that web address. Same as if you want to show some kind of document related to this, you can add some kind of say some kind of a book. I will be add a small box here. Then if you want to link it, you can go to insert link. Then you can show the document that you want to. You can browse the document. Say D. There is my presentations there. I want to link it. I will be add. Then the chain time box is there. You can click it. It will be asked you, and this is presentation, security concern. If you want to continue, that presentation will be appear. That means you can link the link into a web URL or the file on your computer. So that is the link. In sometimes when you are doing the presentation, again, if you want to jump into the previous slide to show something in there. So you can do like that. Let's say, in the faculty, there is a wet text there. If I am tick here, if you want to jump to faculty of wet, the 7th slide, if you want to jump, how you can do is you can click, select it. You can provide action, insert action, and that you can hyperlink to the previous slide, first slide, last slide. You can link to that slides also. And also you can provide the slide number under the slide. You can select this 7th slide and press OK. Then press OK. Then let's play the slide. And click it. You can see the 7th slide will be appear by skipping other slides. It will be jump into that slide. That is called actions. And also in this slide, if you want to provide a shape, some kind of like this arrow. If you want to add an action to jump into the 4th slide, you can add slide and 4th slide. Then you can see the slide is here. This is a hyperlink. When I'm clicking, we will show the 4th slide. You can add some action to text or object to jump to a given slide. And also, under viewing tab, you can see there are a lot of views here. Currently, it's highlighted the normal view. Under normal view, there is 2 areas. All the slide will be appear in the left-hand side. You can design the selected slide on the right-hand side. When you move into the outline view, you can see the without showing the layout and the design of the slide, it will be highlighted the text here. You can't see the design in the left-hand side. You can see the text there. This view will be helpful when design the slides by showing the text. What are the texts on those slides? And also there is a view called slide sorter. In this view, you can't you can't design the slide. You cannot design any slide here, but you can use this mode, use this view to sort your slides. You can click and dragging and drop and change the position of the slide. you can reorder your slides by showing the slide. The appearance is fully view here. By looking that slide, you can reorder your slides. This view is used for that purpose. And the normal view. Normal view also you can drag in and drop under the place that you have view all the slides. You can drag the slides. You can order as you want. And the outline view also, you can see there is a small square here before that text. You can click on that and you can move that slides. In this appearance also you can order your slide, but in the slide sorter view it will appear the appearance and the text. You can read it and you can rearrange your slides. Mainly slide sorter is used for that purpose. And the note page means you can't edit the slide here. You can add some notes, some kind of, when you present it, if you want to note down something in here, you can note down those things in here. So at the presenting time, you can see this and then view it. And the reading view is for read this presentation in quickly. So if there are any mistakes, if there are any grammatical errors, is there, you can change it. From here, you can see it and you can go to the normal view and do it. Then, and also you can see there are some master views there. Slide master and hangout master and note master. When you are moving to the slide master, you can see there are, under the layout, you can see there are some layouts. You can create your own layout in here. If you want to add a new, you can insert a layout and you can add some pictures like here, picture box. And yeah, then you can see, you can close the master view and go to the layout. You can see the custom layout is here. You can change the layout into this layout. The other layouts are displayed here. According to that theme that you are selected, layouts are different. You can add your own, design your own layout in the slide master view. and you can reuse same view as a layout in your presentation. And under the insert, you can see there is a header and footer, and same as in the Microsoft Word. By going to the header and footer, you can add a slide number, you can add a footer, as University of Peradeniya. And if you want to apply into current slide, you can apply it. If you want to apply all the slides, this slide number and footer, you can press apply to all. Right. And under the view, now you know slide master. Slide master is used to create your own slide layout. And the hangout master, there is a hangout master. Actually, this view is used to design your hangouts. That means if you print this slide into a paper, actually printing one slide into paper is wasting. You can add more slide into one paper and you can print it. Then in here, you can show how many slides that you want to add under the slides per page. If you want to add only 4 pages into your paper, you can select 4 papers. And hangout orientation to landscape, then the paper orientation will be changed into landscape. And if you want to add footer, if you want to add date and everything, this will be here. Then this is my printing way of this slideshow. Then if you want to print it, you can go to print. Then I will be change the full page slide into 4 slides. Now you can see all the time and the slide number that you have added, and this hangout master and the elements are displayed in here. This hangout master is the way of how to print, how to create the hangout using those slides. And note master, actually note master is used to how to add the notes. Let's say in here, if you want to change the slide here, and the note should be not here, the view should be here. Likewise, you can resize your, you can zoom your slide here. You can change the layout. So you can go to view, and under viewing area, there is a note page. You can go to note page. That will be appear something like that. The way of display the notes will be arranged by changing the notes master on the presentations. And under the views, rulers, that means you can design your things according to some units. And you can see the grid lines. Those are here, you can add it. And also, under the normal view, in sometimes when you are doing a presentation, when you are doing the practice this presentation, you can think that the time is not matching and this presentation needs more time than the given time. So if you want to remove some slides at the presenting time, not on the designing time, if you are already designed, so I want to remove this slide at the presenting time, you can hide these slides by right click and go to hide slides. Then I hide this 6th slide. I move on to the 4th slide and go to the slideshow. You can see this slide is there, and the 6th slide is not display. The picture slide is not display at the presenting time. It's, you can see when it hided, it will be like it reduce the opacity. So that means it not view at the presenting time. So those are the things how to highlighted on the presentation. Do you have any questions? Do you have any not understanding? Is there any questions? If you can, if you have, you can talk, and if, also you can add on the chat box. No. Silence means there is no questions. I will be at this presentations slides to the Moodle. You can go to the Moodle and find it. Then anything need from that my side, you can tell me. That is about the presentations. So thank you for listening me. If you have questions, I will wait another 5 minutes. You can ask. If you haven't, you can leave it. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.